Thank you, Madam Chair and members. I'm proud to present AB 2017, the California Eid State Holiday Act, which recognizes Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha in California and ensures students observing Eid receive excused absences. California is home to one of the largest Muslim populations in the country, with well over 500,000 Muslim residents. Yet our state calendar does not reflect these deeply significant observances. Eid is the most holy days in Islam, marked by prayer, reflection, charity, and community, and are observed by over 1.9 billion Muslims worldwide. Despite this, Muslim students across California are often forced to choose between attending school or fully observing their holidays. Even when absences are excused, students miss instructional time and can feel isolated from their peers. Employees face similar challenges when workplaces do not formally recognize Eid. California prides itself on being one of the most diverse and inclusive states in the nation, but our laws have not yet caught up. Other jurisdictions, including Washington State, New York City, and several major school districts have already taken steps to formally recognize Eid. AB 2017 will bring California in line with these efforts by adding Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha to the state holiday calendar while maintaining flexibility for courts and local educational agencies. This approach mirrors how California recognizes observances such as Lunar New Year and Diwali. Here to testify with me today is Commissioner Tahra Goraya on behalf of the California Commission on Asian and Pacific Islander American Affairs, and Usama Muqaddam, Legislative and Government Affairs Director for the Council on American Islamic Relations.
Thank you. You'll each have 2 minutes.
Excellent. Well, good afternoon, Madam Chair Rubio and members of the committee. Thank you for the opportunity to testify today in a strong support of AB 2017. This is exactly the type of bill that reflects the values of California, that strives to ensure that every community is seen, respected, and included. I want to thank Assemblymember Haney for championing this bill and making sure that all communities are in fact included. My name is Tahra Goraya, and I serve as a commissioner on the California Commission on Asian Pacific Islander American Affairs. Yes, it's a mouthful, or we affectionately call CAPIAA. The commission is one of the proud sponsors of AB 2017. The California Commission on Asian and Pacific Islander American Affairs represents more than 7 million Asian Americans, Native Hawaiians, and Pacific Islanders across California. We serve as a bridge between the governor, the legislature, and the diverse communities we represent, helping ensure that voices, cultures, and needs of our communities are heard and respected. Muslim Californians are an integral part of the fabric of this state. For me, this bill is deeply personal. I am Muslim American, Asian American, and a Californian that was born actually right here in Sacramento. And I know what it means when the state acknowledges your community's traditions as part of California's story. AB 2017 is more than adding another date to the calendar. It is about recognition. It is about belonging. It is about telling approximately 1 million Californians who celebrate Eid that we see you. Eid is a meaningful and cultural and religious moment. I still remember celebrating Eid as a student. Like many families, my parents needed to get creative to make sure that holiday was excused. And in fact, that we were able to also get credit for our schoolwork. And for a mom now of 2 who are in 4th grade and 6th grade, I want children to feel proud of who they are, proud of their culture, proud of their faith, and never be afraid to share it. Recognizing Eid as a state holiday would allow families to celebrate openly and without penalty. At the Commission, we have learned that understanding each other's cultures strengthens our community and strengthens California. Eid deserves that recognition. AB 2017 will help ensure Muslim Californians and the many families who celebrate Eid are seen, understood, and reflected in the story of California. For these reasons and many, many more, I respectfully urge your aye vote on AB 2017, and I thank you for your time today.